comparative income statement of Bharani Limited comparative income statement of Bharani Limited as on as on 31st March 2000, whatever the year it is given, or for the year ended or ended 31st March, we can write anything. 31st March and the 31st March it is given, 15, 16, it is assumed as on March 2017 and 31st March 2018. And what are the columns to be opened? The first one for particulars, this is problem number 2 from the exercise. Particulars. Then the next column here. The next column also for year. So we can write like this. That is given in the problem itself, we can write it. Particulars. Year 2016-17. The next year is 2017-18. And the revenue from operations 1. The first item is revenue from operations. The amount is 30,000, 45,000. 45,000. Then other income. Other income 4,000, 6,000. Then the next item is expenses. Expenses 10,000, 15,000. 15,000. Income tax 30%, 20%. In addition to that, we will go to open 2 more columns. 2 more columns. These three columns are given in the problem. In addition to that, we should open two more columns. What are they? Absolute amount of increase or decrease. Increase plus decrease minus. And the next column is percentage. Percentage increase or decrease. Increase or decrease. As usual, increase plus decrease minus. So with the given particulars, with the given information, we must do the work what is asked, because we are preparing comparative income statement of Bharani Limited as on 31st March 2000. Since this is 16-17, the last date is assumed as March 31st of 17. Here this is March 31st of 18. So for this, to find what we should follow or what is the increase or decrease, we shall do it first. 16-17, 30,000. In 17-18, 45,000. Whether there is decrease or increase, only increase. How much? 45 minus 30, 15,000. If it is increase, you put with plus. If it is decrease, you put with minus. The same thing for other income also. Other income, in the first year, we take this first year, here second year. First year 4,000. In the second year, 6,000. Whether increase or decrease, increase how much? 6,000 minus 4,000, 2,000. This is an increase. Then regarding the expense, first year expense 10,000, second year expense 15,000. Whether there is increase or decrease, increase only how much? 15,000 minus 10,000. It is 5,000 plus 5,000. The income tax we will find only on the profit. So we shall do step by step now. First one, revenue from operation. There is increase 15%, 15,000. It should be shown as percentage. To find the percentage, what we should do? You can use the formula for this. It is nothing given in the book, but I give you some idea. Increase or decrease divided by first year into 100. You should keep this in mind. First one, increase or decrease. Since it is increase, we should put plus. If it is decrease, we should put minus. Otherwise, the same idea. For the first one, what is there? 15,000 is the increase. By first year, how much? 30,000 into 100. 15,000 by 30,000, if you simplify 2, 100 by 2, it is 50%. So we can write 50%. It should be mentioned in percentage. Okay, now the second one. For the second one, increase or decrease 2,000 by first year 4,000 into 100 is equal to 2 by, this is simplified to 100 by 2, 50%. This is also 50%. And what we must do after this? After doing these incomes separately, we must find the total income. We must find the total income. So, total income, revenue also income, other income, therefore total income, 34,000 is to 51,000 is to, then what is the difference between these two? 51,000 minus, because increase, that is 51 minus 34, 17,000. Since it is an increase, put plus. Therefore, what formula we are using? Increase or decrease for this? Increase or decrease 17,000 by first year 34,000 into 100. If you simplify numerator and denominator, you will get 2 in the denominator. 100 by 2, 50%. 50%. Then we should find the profit from the total income. From the total income, to find total income, add these two. To find the profit now, to find the profit now, from the total income, we should minus the expenses, profit. Before income tax, before calculating income tax, what is the profit? Income minus expense. Income lend the expense minus panana, we will find the profit. 34 minus 10, 24,000. 24,000. And 51 minus 15, how much? 36,000. How much is the increase in profit before tax? Before tax, how much is the increase? 36,000 minus, because first year 24, second year 36, only increase. Therefore 36 minus 24, 12,000. It is increased, therefore 12,000. So what is the profit percentage? Increase 12,000. First year profit, that is 24,000 into 100. This is equal to 12,000, 3 zeros cancel, 12 by 24 to 100 by 2, 50%. This is also 50%. Expenses, I did not find the expenses, I think. Then after finding, we will go to the income tax. So, what is the expenses? Expenses, profit I have found out, anyhow, I will do it in order. This is 1, 2, this is 3, then 4 I will do. This is the first item, second item, third item, then fourth item I will do. This is fifth item, then this is 6, then there is one more item, 7. We shall see the fourth one, expenses. You can see the increase in expense, 5,000. First year it is 10,000 into 100. You can note out the formula here. Increase or decrease by first year into 100. 5,000 by 10,000 to 100 by 2, 50%. The fourth point is over. Then point number 5. Profit before income tax. First year 24,000, second year 36,000, increase in profit to 12,000. Therefore, increase 12,000. This we can write 50 or plus. %. Then for profits, it is 12,000 increase for 24,000 into 100. 12,000 by 24,000 to 100 by 2, 50%. Point number 5, it is over. Now for point number 6, we should find the profit for this 24,000, 36,000 at the rate of 30%. How much it is, we should find now. Point number 6. For point number 6, income tax for the first year for 24,000, 30%. 24,000 into 30%, 30 by 100. You can simplify. This is equal to 7,200. 7,200. Then for 36,000 into second year also the same 30%. 1 0 1 0 cancel, 1 0 1 0 cancel. If you multiply this 3 into 3,600, these zeros, 10,800, and that should be the income tax here. What is the income tax here? First year 7,200, second year 10,800. This is at 30%. This is also at 30%. You can put it in the bracket. So, how much is the increase in income tax? 10,800 minus 7,200, how much it is? 3,600. There is increase in income tax to 3,600. So, for point number 6, how to find the percentage? For profit before income tax, that is 5, point number 5, it is 50%, plus 50%. And for income tax, we have found out how much is the increase, 3,600. The same idea can be followed here also. What? Increase 3,600. For how much? 7,200 it is. Then into 100, which is, if you divide these two by 200 by 2, 50%. In income tax also, the increase is 50%. Increase is 50%. Now the last step is Profit after tax. Profit after tax. Profit after tax. You minus 24,000 from 24,000, 7,200. It is 16,800. From 36,600, 36,000, 10,800. You minus it. That is 25,200. That's all. What is their increase or decrease? We can find 25,000 minus 16,000 on 9,000. So 8,400. 8,400. This is the increase in profit after tax. 16,800. Right. This is the format what we should do. This type of problem, if you do again and again, you can find easy to answer them. Don't think it is very difficult, it is an easy chapter. I shall repeat once again the problem given in this exercise. What should be the increase here? This also they have found out. And the increase or decrease, point number 7. Also I will do it here. The answer is given. Point number 7. That is increase 8,400 by the first year 16,800 into 100. This you simplify 2 times 100 by 2, 50%. Therefore, there is increase 50%. There are certain points which you should know for doing this tabular column. What are they? In the problem given, this 1, 2, this 4 and the income tax slab. These are the 4 items given. But when you prepare the table, what you must do for each and every item, you should find the increase or decrease and show it in percentage. Likewise, the first item, second item we have done. First item, how much is the increase? 15,000. Therefore, 15,000 increase or decrease by first year. 15,000 by 30,000 into 100 gives 50%. Then what about other income? First year 4,000, second year 6,000. Therefore, there is increase 2,000. As usual, increase by first year into 100, 50%. It is increase. I said already, for increase we should put plus, for decrease we should put minus. Be very careful. Then the next one, after doing the incomes separately, we should find the total income. What is the total income? You add these two, then 34, this is 51. And what is the difference now? 17,000, this is the increase. So 17,000 by 34,000 into 100, that is 50%. Then if there is additional income, we will add. From the income only, the expenses are incurred, expenses are made. Therefore, from this, we should less the expenses. What we must do? We should minus the expenses. Less. When there is additional income, add. If there are expenses, less. Therefore, 34,000 minus 24, 10,000, 24,000, 51,000 minus 15,000, 36,000. So, this is the profits earned by the concern, earned by Bharani Limited. Okay, good. But from this, they will have to pay tax also. And therefore, before paying the tax, what is the profit? That's what we have found out. How much is the increase in these 2 years? 36 minus 24, 12,000. So, 12,000 by 24,000 into 100. This is 50%. So, for expenses also we have done like this. The point number 4 here. Then, from the profit only, the income tax should be paid. The income tax depends upon the profit earned by the company or the concern. How much profit earned during the first year? 24,000. For that, at the rate of 30%, what should be the income tax? 24,000 into 30 by 100, 7,200. For the second year, for 36,000, second year also the tax percentage is 30%. Therefore, 36,000 into 30 by 100, 10,800. So, how much is the increase in income tax? 10,800 minus 7,200, 3,600. Therefore, increase by first year into 100, 50%. I got it. So, from the profit, 24,000. 7,200 is paid. Therefore, what should be the remaining profit? That is, profit after tax, this one. From the profit earned in the year 17-18, 36,000, 10,800 is paid as income tax. Therefore, what should be the profit after income tax? From this you minus. So, now, after income tax, 16,800 during the first year, 25,200 during the second year. How much is the increase? From this you minus this, you will get 8,400. So, this increase 8,400 by first year into 100. You simplify, you will get 50%. So, what you should remember? 1, 2, 3. These 3 columns are given in the problem itself, and 2 more columns are here, and what you must do. Okay, 2 more columns are given here. That what you must do. Okay, you understand it. And what are the 2 columns? Absolute amount of increase or decrease, and the same increase or decrease is given in percentage. These are the 2 more columns what we must open and do. Okay. When 2 types of incomes are given, you find the percentage separately. Then after adding all the income, for total income also you should find the percentage, increase or decrease and the percentage. Then if there is any expense given, you less the expenses. And for that expense also you find the percentage. After minusing the expenses, then after making the less from the total income the expenses, you can find this profit. Income minus expenses will give profit. Since from the profit only the income tax should be paid, this statement what we must write, profit before income tax, this amount. Profit. From this only we should pay the income tax, and therefore this is before income tax. What is the profit increase for the second year, then the first year? 12,000. 12,000 by 24,000 into 100. Here, this we have put the percentage also here. Then income tax at the rate of 30%. Only for the profit income tax should be calculated. 24,000, 30 by 100. For 36,000, 30 by 100. I have written this is income tax. And how much is the increase in income tax? 3,600. What is the percentage? 3,600 by 7,200 into 100. That we have done. Plus. And from the profit, the income tax is minus, then we will find the profit after tax. Even you can write here less income tax. From the profit only the income tax is paid. Therefore, to find the profit at the end, we should minus this income tax from this total profits. So, this income tax is calculated separately here, and that amounts are written here, and this increase has been made for each and every item you are writing here. You should find the increase or decrease, and you convert this into percentage. So, after minusing it, we will find the final profit, that is profit after tax. So, you can minus it less, this is less. How much is the increase in it? 8,400. So therefore, increase by first year into 100. 50%. Okay, this is the problem. Don't forget this formula. Increase or decrease by first year into 100. Okay. Now we shall pass on to the problem number 3 from the exercise. Learn thoroughly this chapter. From this chapter, if the problems are asked, you can score so easily. This is problem number 3 from the exercise. As usual, particulars, and this is comparative income statement of Daniel Limited. Income statement of Daniel Limited as on as on 31/3/16 and 31/3/17 and 31/3/17. As usual, we should draw 5 columns, 3 from the problem and 2 extra columns. The first one, particulars. Second one, for the first year. Third one for the second year. We shall fill them first. Particulars. Two 2015-16, 2016-17. The first item is revenue from operations. $40,000, $50,000. And less operating expenses. Less operating expenses. operating expenses 25,000, 27,500, 500. Then after minusing it, what we will get? Here this what should be the heading? Absolute amount of increase or decrease. Increase plus decrease minus. Then here increase or decrease percentage. Increase or decrease percentage. If it is increase plus, if it is decrease minus, we should write. After doing this, we should go for the other items also. From the income, if the expenses are minus, the result will be profit. Profit before income tax. We should find profit before income tax. That is 40,000 minus 25,000, 15,000. 50,000 minus 27,500, 22,500. Then, what is the next item it is given? Income tax. This also from the profit only you should find less income tax. What is the percentage? First year 20%. Second year it is 50%. Now after minusing this, what we can get? Profit after tax. Profit after tax. These are the items we should calculate and find. As I said in the beginning, what are the items here? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. The calculations should be made for all these 5, and in addition income tax also should be calculated. Now, what should be the formula? I said already. And what is the formula? Increase or decrease by first year into 100. You should bear in mind. So for the first item, number 1, revenue from operation. What is the increase or decrease? 40,000, second year 50,000, therefore 50 minus 40, 10,000 is the increase. So it is a plus. So for the first year, increase 10,000 by first year 40,000 into 100. If you simplify 1 by 4, 400 by 4, it is 25%. So here this is plus 25%. It is increase or decrease. Then the second item is the operating expenses. First year 25,000. Second year 27,500. Therefore automatically there is some increase. So 27,500 minus 25, 2,500. 2,500. So for the second one, increase or decrease, 2,500 is increase. Increase by the first year 25,000 into 100. So if you simplify here 10, 100 by 10, 10%. So it is plus 10%. What about the profit earned by the company? First year 15,000, second year 22,500. So there is automatically increase. How much is the increase? 7,500 is the increase. Therefore plus 7,500. So for the third item, 7,500 by first year 15,000 into 100. This is equal to 7,500 by 15,000 two times, 100 by 2, 50%. This is plus 50%. Plus 50%. Then for the fourth item, we should calculate the income tax first, then we should find the percentage next. Okay. Now we shall find the income tax. Only for the profit earned by the company there is income tax. For 15,000 first year, what is the percentage of income tax? Only 20%. So 20 by 100. 2 into 1,500, 3,000 rupees. So first year income tax is 3,000. Then for the second year, this is 50%. So for 22,500, 50%, 5 by 100. Listen carefully this. For 22,500 at the rate of 50%. See here. Multiply this to 0. 11,250. 11,250. Second year income tax 11,250. How much is the increase in tax? This 11,000 minus 3,000, 8,250 is the increase in tax. Then what should be the percentage? Listen carefully, this I said for the fourth item itself. This we have found out, or we have calculated the income tax, and there is increase. How much? 8,250. So how much is the percentage of increase in income tax? For 3,000, that is increase 8,250 by first year 3,000 into 100. What this? 3 zeros cancel. Divide it by 3, you will find the increase percentage. 825 by 3, 2 3s are 6, remainder 2, 7 3s are 21, remainder 1, 15, 5 3s are 15. 275%. 200 plus 275% increase. And what after tax? That is from the profit minus income tax, 15,000 minus 3,000, 12,000. And 22,500 minus 11,250, it is again 11,250. Listen this point carefully. Now whether there is increase or decrease for point number 5. What is increase or decrease? This is first year 12,000, second year the profit has been reduced because of this income tax. So how much is the decrease? This is 750 rupees minus 750 minus 750. Therefore, increase or decrease by first year 12,000 into 100. This is minus, we should put minus the percentage, decrease profit. So we can simplify now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you divide 75 by 12, that is 6 12s are 72, remainder 3, 3 by 12, that is 6, 1 by 4, that is equal to 6.25%. 6.25%. Decrease in the profit, 6.25% decrease in the profit. You should learn something from this problem. What is there? It is not given as it is in the other problem. Here, revenue from equations 25% working, operating expenses 10% working, and expenses 10% working, then profit before tax 50%, and profit after tax, that is tax is here I know name 30%. I made a mistake in it. 30% to 30%, not 20-50. It is 30-30. I should change that calculation. I have read it from other problems, so I will change the calculation. Each and everything. This is also 30. This is also 30 only. So I shall find the new income tax. Since I changed the percentage, the answer is different. So once again, I shall calculate this point number 4 and 5. So for point number 4, 15,000 into 30 by 100. So this is 30 by 100. Just 30%, 30% only. Yes. 25,000, 27,300, right. 15,000 into 30 by 100. It is 4,500, and 22,500 into 30 by 100, that what we should do, 0, then 3 into 5, 15, 3 into 2, 6, 6,750. 6,750, right. This is the income tax. First year 4,500, second year 6,750. Now how much is the increase? 2,250. 2,250. Right, 2,250. So for 2,250 we should find the increase or decrease. 2,250. So what it must be? 3 zeros cancel, 7 3s are 21, 5 3s are 15. So 75%. 4,500. 2,250 by 4,500. 4,500, 2,250, then it is 2 times 100 by 2, it is 50%. 50%. Okay, then now what should be profit after tax? 15,000 minus 4,500, 11,500. Here 22,500 minus 6,750. 750. 21 minus 650. Right, 15,750. Now, what is the difference in profit after tax? 15,750 minus 11,500. 750 minus 500, 250. Here 750 minus 500, 250. 15 minus 11, 4. 4, 11 plus 4, 15, 15,750. Right. Okay. So 4,250 by 11,500 into 100. This is the profit after tax, 4,250 by 11,500. Here, what should be the percentage? Percentage of income tax. Income tax percentage is 50%. Yes, it is correct. That is point number 4 only up to this plus. Then, after tax, 15,000 minus 4,500, it is 10,500. Small mistakes. 10%. 10,500. Here it is 15,500. Therefore, 10,500, 15,750 minus 10,500, it is 5,250. Yes, only this, now it is correct. Now we can simplify. This is 5,250, denominator 10,500, and it is 2 times 100 by 2, 50%. So this is 5,250 plus and increase plus 50%. Once again I repeat, I have made some changes because I wrote the different percentage here. But this percent 30 only is given in the book. But I have taken 20% and 50%. That is why I made the corrections here. Once again I repeat. The point number 1, only one income is given here, revenue from operation. So for the first year, 15, 16, 40,000, and 16, 17, 50,000. Therefore, what is the increase? 10,000. So, increase by first year into 100, that is 25%. Okay, that is what is given. It is. Then, the next item given in the book is operating expenses. First year operating expenses 25,000. Second year operating expenses 27,500. Therefore, increase in expenses is only 2,500. So, increase by this into 100, 10%. Now, from the only and the one income, we should minus or less the only and the one expense. Minus it, you will get the profit. From the income, you minus expense, you will get profit. So from this you minus 15,000, from this you minus 22,500. So what is increase or decrease in the profit? Definitely there is increase in the profit. How much? 7,500. So increase by first year. Increase by first year into 100. This is 50%. Then this one here I changed. Just now I said instead of 30% to 30%, I took 20% and 50%. So I corrected the answers what I have done already. First thing, for income tax, we have two types of calculations. We cannot go straight away like this, the increase. First, we should find what is the amount of income tax. Income tax எவ்வளவுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். மீதிலாம் இங்க ரெடியா இருக்கு. But இதுல மட்டும் we should find from the percentage. So for 15,000, 30%, 4,500. For 22,500, 30%. Then 6,750 below written. How much is the increase in income tax? 2,250. So 2,250 increase by first year into 100. That is 50% increase. Now we should find the actual profit. That is after paying the tax. This 15,000 earned as a profit. From 15,000 income tax 30% paid 4,500. And what should be the final profit? 10,500. That should be the profit after tax. In the second year, profit 22,500. From 22,500, 30% income tax is paid. That is calculated there. 6,750 here, 6,750 here. This is calculated. So this minusing these two, 2,250 is the increase. 2,250 by 4,500 into 100. This 50%. And the last one, you minus the income tax from the profit earned, 10,500. This also you minus it, 15,750. This is the profit after paying the income tax. So first year 10,500, second year 15,750. How much is the increase? 5,250. So increase by first year into 100, 50%. That's all.